All right, so for number 2 in the PowerPoint, I'm gonna show you how to use a rotation or complete a rotation using patty paper. So this is patty paper because it's like hamburger patties. You know, the hamburger patties would go in between the paper. So we're rotating 180 degrees about the origin. So I put my patty paper over my coordinate grid and I'm going 180 degrees, which means I should end up in this quadrant somewhere over here. So if I'm going about the origin, the first thing that I do is I plot the point of rotation. After doing that, I trace each one of my points and I make sure that I label those points so that I know when I rotate where they're gonna end up. Okay, I don't necessarily need the whole shape, although it helps with visualizing, but if you just wanna do the points, that's always helpful as well. So if I'm going 180 degrees, I'm gonna turn it once about the origin, and real quick, if the point's a little bit hard to determine the rotation point, that's kind of where that X is gonna be where you're gonna wanna rotate from. So I'm rotating around the origin. So maintain your X on the 0, 0. This would be a 90-degree rotation because I turned my paper once to the left. If I wanna go 180, I'm gonna turn my paper again, and that's gonna end up here. So the main point here is you just want to make sure that you either write down those points or plot those points in some way. So I'm going to plot, here's my P prime. Back to see where we're at. This is going to be where my Z is located. And then I've got my W at this point. Okay, so connect all your points, and therefore my shape's been rotated 180 degrees about the origin. Cool, right?